Okay, I don't know what's going on. My phone keeps cutting off while I'm trying to videotape. How frustrating. Right when I'm going to end the video, I look up and it's off. And it's not because the battery's out. I don't know if my memory's full. So I'm going to do this real fast, real quick again. Sorry. Got these 60% off with an additional 25% off, so like 60 cents. 1879427. It says, cheers, party, celebrate, the Ivory tag, 9-piece set. This is the Penny's Paper Doll Family Collection, $3.99, 207-1280. And that is the back. This was purchased not just for the front, but also for the back, because this green goes with the majority of all your paper pads that you own by Graphic 45. So don't sleep on these pads like this. You can use this for cut aparts and different stuff, but you can use this back paper to match, to be filler in your paper as well. So that was the purpose of getting that one and this one, because those red and greens go with pretty much everything. So this is the other one as well. This is the sisters, and that's the mom and daughter. This one is 207-1278. And then this is the 12 by 12 for $3.99, which is interesting. It's only $3.99. Penny Paper Dolls Family, and it's 207-1288. And as you can see there, the cover, it's got your red and green. Three sheets of each, like that navy on the black, that on the back, those dark blues. So you can also cut those apart as well. And the other thing about Graphic 45, if you don't know, they always give you templates on the front, templates on the back that you can trace and cut out and make different projects. Talking fast because my battery is acting really crazy. I don't know what's going on. Got this one as well. And that's the back of that one. That one won't go with as many projects, but it'll go with some. You can cut these apart and make different, ICs, ATCs, different things. And this is $3.99, 207-1248. And then ironically, I don't understand why, but the 8x8 is $4.99, yet the 12x12 is $3.99. And Penny Paper Doll Family, 207-1285. And you can see this one. Again, the templates are there. So you have the same ones that you had on the other one, but then you have some different ones with color. Be fun fussy cutting as well. So, and then the last two things are these chipboard, which they got me on these prices as well. This one was $1.99. This is the Paper Doll Family, 207-1291. Sorry about that glare. And then this is the Vintage Hollywood for $1.49, 207-1253. Not sure why there's 50 cents difference between the two. And let's see. The date is the same. So I don't know. Alright, so I did that one faster. Oh, I don't know if these two is in this video. No, that was it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.